The first thing to do is determine which is the right side and which is the left side. These are labeled right and left. Take the top end with the smaller diameter and face it downward. The opening at the bottom end will open in towards the car where you would be standing. Here are the two openings. They face in towards the inside of the car. You need something to keep the door from closing, and a ladder is the perfect thing, according to Dirt Farmer J. I agree. Now it won't close on us when we remove the lift support. The lift support is connected at two locations, down here and up here. The lift support has a C-clip holding it in place. You can see there's a little notch for inserting a screwdriver to pry that C-clip off. Here's what the C-clip looks like. There's the same kind of connection on the car body. Clean off that ball with a paper towel, some kind of rag, and then add some grease to it. You could wipe off some of the excess grease. You can see with the new lifter in place, the door won't even stay on the ladder anymore. You can see how fast that door comes down once the lifter is off. So make sure to have that ladder in place. Bottom one should just come off. You're all done.